The Big Bang Theory is generally accepted as scientific fact. Very few scientists now dispute that the universe began 13 billion years ago, when space and time felt like expanding. The Big Bang Theory is good at explaining all sorts of features of the universe we live in. It accounts for the redshift of astronomical objects, the relative abundances of elements in the universe, and for the existence of the cosmic microwave background. Despite the success of the Big Bang model, there has been a recent rise in skepticism from the general public about its truth. This is partly due to the fact that popular science articles often write about the unsolved mysteries of the Big Bang, of which there are plenty. Some people, especially those of a religious orientation, take this to the extreme and claim that these unsolved mysteries are critical problems that discredit and even disprove the Big Bang model. I want to show you how overblown this is through an example of one of the mysteries which is often cited as being a critical failure of the Big Bang theory. The problem is known as Baryon Asymmetry, and it refers to the fact that there is a lot more matter than there is antimatter in the universe. Here's a summary of the problem. All known physical interactions produce as much antimatter as matter. So we would expect there to be similar amounts of matter and antimatter in the universe. But we don't. The universe is matter dominated. So how do we explain this? The first thing to realise is that this problem isn't really a failure of the Big Bang model. Whatever cosmological theory you support, you're going to face the same problem of explaining why there is more matter than antimatter. So what are the possible solutions? The general belief of the scientific community is that there must be some physical interactions which produce more matter than antimatter that we just don't know about yet. Current theories of physics only work well below a certain maximum energy. Most processes in our universe occur at these low energies, so modern physics is very accurate and successful for most physics in the universe. But at the time of the Big Bang, when energies were unbelievably high, our laws of physics break down. So we expect that at some high energy, known as the grand unified theory energy, new physical processes occur in which more matter is produced than antimatter. Far from being a problem with the Big Bang theory, the Baryon Asymmetry problem actually favours the Big Bang model over any other model. In order for these hypothetical matter-producing processes to occur, you need ridiculously high energies above the grand unified theory energy. This is easy to achieve in the Big Bang theory. Right in the first few moments of the Big Bang there would have been these high energies. But any other cosmological theory won't have a Big Bang singularity, and so won't feature these high energies that may be capable of producing matter. The bottom line is that while the Baryon asymmetry problem is a problem that needs solving, it isn't a problem with the Big Bang theory specifically. In fact, the Big Bang theory is more likely than any other cosmological theory to resolve the problem.